foldable iPhone, rumored to be called the iPhone Ultra, is said to be Apple's most expensive phone, and a new pricing might make a hole in your pocket. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman has revealed that the iPhone Ultra will cross the $2,000 mark in the US. However, it's not clear whether that means it'll start at over $2,000 or exceed that for more storage. The other option would hardly be surprising given that the 2TB iPhone 17 Pro Max already costs $1,999. So maybe Gurman means the starting price will be over $2,000. And even then, that's not a massive surprise when you consider that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 starts at $1,999.99. And that's surely pricier than M5 MacBook Pro, which starts at $1,699. And obviously far higher than the $1,199 iPhone 17 Pro Max. Such a high price that even Apple fans on Reddit have expressed mixed reactions. Some are saying things like, "Thing is going to sell like crack regardless of the price," and "can't wait to have this," while others have said, "That's okay, I don't want it anyway," and said iPhone Air will be sold more. Apart from the high price, the new iPhone Fold is said to have a crease depth of around 0.15 millimeters, which won't be invisible but is smaller than on most foldable phones. It might come with two 48-megapixel rear cameras with either a punch hole camera or an under-display one. Battery is expected to be around 5,800 mAh, and other specs include 12 GB of RAM, an A20 Pro chipset, and an efficient Apple C2 modem to enable 5G over a satellite connection, with many other features. Will all these specs be able to justify the price? Drop your thoughts in the comments. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.